with another video. Alright, y'all, check out the delicious dinner I got. Stuffed onion chicken breast. Come on, y'all, check it out. Little drink on the side. Yeah, alright, check out the New Year dinner. Yeah, I'm still doing it. Happy New Year's, everybody. If I didn't say it to y'all, but that's what I'm doing today. Come on, check it out. Alright, you know that's how I do. Yeah, bring the New Year's in right with this nice dinner here. Alright, y'all see it? Yeah, I know y'all mouth is getting watery. Alright, y'all, I got to get ready to go. You know what time it is. Yes, check it out. All that good stuff. Alright, y'all. Y'all know who it is. It's Mr. Mrlwood Videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all post notifications, share my videos, and watch them to the end. And I thank all y'all for watching my videos. I appreciate y'all. Alright, y'all, I gotta go. I'm getting ready to eat this dinner right now. Alright, everybody be good. Be safe. I'm out. Yeah, see how delicious it is. I had to let y'all see it was so good. I had tore it up. You see why I bit into it? Yeah. Alright, I got to go. I ain't come back no more. I'm great in this video. I'm out. Peace.